Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. I am going to talk about 2023 cutoffs in SEBI Grade A legal exam. Both the phase 2 and final cutoffs have been released by SEBI now. Let's talk about phase 2. There are two papers, descriptive English and then there is law. Law has objective and descriptive part. This year in 2023 for the legal in phase 2 the cutoff for unreserved category was 65.5. For EWS it was 61.16, for OBC 61.66, ST के लिए 56.84 and for SC 59.5. The number of students who were shortlisted for phase 3, that is interview, were in the ratio of 1:3. You can clearly see there. Let's talk about the cutoffs which were applied on the papers. The cutoffs which were applied on the individual papers were already there in the notification also. Paper 1 had 30%, paper 2 had 40%, total weighted score had 50%. Paper 1 had weightage of 1/3, paper 2 had weightage of 2/3. So here talking about phase 2 cutoff, it was 65.5. And let's talk about the final cutoff after interview. The final cutoff for unreserved category was 69.61. For OBC 64.01, for EWS 62.33, for SC 63.70, ST 61.83. So this is the overall cutoff 69.61. In the upcoming slide, you will be able to see a comparative analysis of 2020, 2022 and 2023 cutoffs, applications and the vacancies. Number of vacancies in 2020 were 34, phase 1 cutoff 80 होता है, phase 2 cutoff was 68.33 and overall cutoff was 71.07. 2022 में 16 vacancies थी, phase 2 की cutoff 67.67 थी and overall cutoff was 69.08. Then in 2023 there were 25 vacancies, 80 was phase 1's cutoff, 65.5 was phase 2 cutoff and 69.61 was overall cutoff. I'll try to share scorecard of the top ranking students so that we can understand how much they have secured in the descriptive part, descriptive English, in the legal objective and the legal descriptive. For now, this is the information that has been released by SEBI. 65.5 was phase 2 cutoff. We have already shared a lot of success stories of the candidates who have cleared SEBI legal exam this year and over the past years as well. You can go through them, take learnings from them, incorporate their strategies in your preparation. And to delve deeper into them, to understand them better, I am conducting a workshop on 10th of February, Saturday at 5 p.m. We can sit together, we can understand the various success stories, how they relate to you, whether you are a working professional or you are a fresh graduate, whether you can devote less time or more time, whether it is your first attempt, second attempt, or it's just a new exam to you. So you can register for this workshop using the link that is present in the description below. I also want to talk about another debate that is going on related to preference given to national law universities, whether this is true or not, whether this is just a rumor. I'll try to make a video on that based on my understanding and based on the data that I am exposed to. If you have any data with respect to that, then you can please share that with me and we can discuss about this more in the upcoming workshop on 10th of February. So that is all for now in this video. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. If you have any queries, you can write them down in the comment below or you can reach out to us on this number. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.